Hello, beautiful people. I am back. Yay! It has been a little stretch of time since I last posted a tutorial video. I have been traveling Africa for a few months. I was doing some volunteer work and just trekking on my own as well. There's some videos of my travels here on my YouTube channel, and there's still more to come. I just haven't edited them all yet because I wanted to get a tutorial out for you guys. So while I was traveling, because of this wonderful age of technology, I was able to keep in touch with everyone back home. But it got me thinking about how way back in the day, it would be like the anticipation of waiting for an actual letter to arrive in the mail, like would have been so exciting. And I love the romance of a stack of love letters all tied with a ribbon and like they're your precious possession. So that is what inspired this latest creation. This project is not per se a mini album. This is a stack of love letters. So each envelope or letter is kind of like a page of an album. So it still has all the flips and flaps and everything, but just a little bit of a different construction, different look. And I thought it was perfect timing to have a stack of love letters right before Valentine's Day. I'm such a cheesy romantic that way. So I hope that you love it, and it is available in my Etsy shop along with all my other tutorials. And yeah, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your support. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm sure you're like, just get on with it. So anyway, yeah, here is my love letters tutorial. So it's all tied together with these ribbons. All right, so get these out of the way. The first envelope, I call them envelopes. I know they're not actually envelopes, but we're just gonna go with that for now, because I don't know what else to call them. So the first love letter, there we go. So it opens up like that, and then these both go to the sides, room for journaling, and then these both open up like that. And then this opens to the side, and then both of these open up like that, and so they're like a little, kind of like a shadow box. And I've made it so that each of these, this inside part, can just come out, so that way you know how big of a photo to put in there, and then they just magnetize back down there so they stay. Okay, so that is that. So that's the first one. Envelope to love letter 2 opens like that and like that. So this top part opens once and opens again, and then these both go to the sides, and there's a pocket in each one of them. And then down here, so this is magnetized, it opens down, and then this opens up, and there's a little bit of a another kind of pop-up scenario for you to put a picture on, just so it has some dimension, and then more room for pictures here. I didn't cover everything because if it's perfect for a 4x6 photo, there's no point in putting paper on it, because the 4x6 photo is just going to cover it up. So 2 photo spots there, and then this also goes down, so spot for photo there, and then this is a pocket, and then it opens again, and another pocket down here, and another spot for a photo. And then it's all magnetized shut. So that is envelope 2. The third envelope slash love letter opens like this, and then this is really cool. And then it pops up to like a kind of a tower. So you can put pictures down here. You can also put them in these spots here, or you can journal or whatever you so desire. So I just thought that was a cool kind of way to display your photos, and then it all kind of folds back, so pop up. It's fun. So that is love letter 3. The fourth one has elastic closures here, and then this is just like a little metal charm. Opens up like this, and again and again. So over here these open, and then there's a waterfall, and again I left it blank because it's perfect for 4x6 pictures, and I didn't want to add any bulk if I didn't have to. And then opens like that. Here is another pocket that has a couple tags plain on the back. And over here we've got 2 pockets with some little tags in them, both the same. And then these also open out to the sides for more room. Alright, so that is envelope, or love letter 4. Love letter sounds better. So this would be perfect for Valentine's Day. You can use different papers. Like I kind of used a C collection because I was thinking about, you know, letters over C's and everything, but you don't have to. You can use whatever you like. So this is envelope, or love letter 5. So it untwines and opens like that. And then these both open to the side. Get those out of frame there. There we go. And then this folds down. And then there's 2 swing tabs. And they both move out of the way so you can open these journaling spots. And then there's a little pull tab here. So you can kind of pull this open. So it opens like that and like that. And then it also opens like that and like that. So both of these do the same thing. So you can either open them all the way to the side like this, so they stretch all the way out. There's so much room for photos, and every single one of these has an extra like flap, so there is so much room for photos. And again, I didn't add the pattern paper because I thought it would be perfect size for photos, so you didn't want to add bulk if you didn't have to. So that all folds up, and then it also goes the other way, right? So there's so much room for photos in this one. Alright, and then so the other side does the exact same thing. They all open up. And then this whole piece opens up to the top, so there's some room for journaling and photos. Okay, so that all closes back up like that. And I kept the embellishments to a minimum because I didn't want them, once you add the pictures, it's going to get even bulkier, so I didn't want to add anything that was going to make them fatter, you know. Alright, so that is the 5th one, and then the 6th one. This is where the ties to tie it all together are underneath the back paper of the last love letter. And then this is a little tie closure, and that opens up like that. Oops, upside down. That opens up like that. And these are both little pockets on the side with little tags in there. And I used 3 different paper collection, a Prima marketing, a digital download, and a blue Fern collection. I'll write them down below. So then the top lifts up, and there's 2 swing tabs, and this opens to the side. And then there's a little pull tab here, and when you pull, there's magnets that open this up. So there's 2 places for photos there, photo here, and then it all The magnets are almost too strong for this because you have to really pull to get them open, but it's a cool effect. And then you can kind of flip it over so that there's a spot for photo there as well. Okay, and then close this up, and this whole thing folds down, and this is magnetized and it goes down, and then this goes up, and there's a pop and twist in there so you can put photos on that. And that closes up, and that, and that. And there we go. So I think it's really cool. You know, it's a little bit different than in an album. You know, it's a different take on it. But there's still room for well over 100 pictures, about 110 if you do some cropping. And you can, I love the fact that you can make as many of each envelope as you want to, or you can make them all the same, or, you know, it's totally your choice. So there's a lot of options for this one. And then you just kind of pull up all the ribbons around it and tie it all back together again. And I'm a total romantic, and I love the idea of, you know, waiting for letters from a loved one overseas or something. That's why I made it a little bit of a sea theme, because that's what I was thinking. So there you have it. There is the love letter tutorial, or the love letter, that's the walkthrough of what it looks like. So it is available in my Etsy shop, and I've already started on the next mini album tutorial, an actual album. I've got a lot of ideas for the next one. Alright, so thank you so much, and big hugs. You guys are amazing. I'm so appreciative of your support. Hope you have an awesome day. Meow.